Start by adding some lemon juice to the boiling milk. Your ricotta is ready for use. For the dough, use semolina, refined flour, and some salt. Now add some refined oil. Finally add some water to the mixture. Knead the dough properly. The dough looks ready now. Just flatten it and keep it in the refrigerator for 60 minutes. For the filling we need salt, some black pepper, garlic, fresh ricotta, and the main ingredient, some green chilies. Add some oil in a pan. Then add garlic, green chilies and saute. Add ricotta and then a paste of garlic and green chilies. Now take the dough, press it a little and roll and roll. We need to make layers in this. Continue to fold and roll. Now start with putting the filling in different parts. Now fold the dough sheet in half. Cut the sheet evenly. Divide it into sections. You can use water to seal it and then use a knife to give it a shape. Now use a fork to make small grooves and give it a design. Your pasta is now ready to boil. For the dressing you need herbs, green chilies, butter, garlic and some almonds. Saute all these ingredients in a pan. Now drizzle them on your ravioli evenly. It looks good. Use some chopped almonds for the garnish. Your homemade ricotta and chili ravioli with garlic, butter and herbs dressing is ready.